Hi, how are you? Today I'm gonna show you how to do beard trim. You know, when you don't have enough time to shave, you get one of these trimmers. We have another one, see, camo trimmer. These are both Oster trimmers. Not expensive. You know, see, Oster. See, and easy. Just have to be careful, you know, when you do it. Tighten your skin. Tighten your skin. And this blade kind of up, not into your skin, you know, because you can cut yourself. Be very careful. See, and this is good like for shaping too, like your sideburns. See, oh, and kind of in front of mirror, you know, you'd see better. See, trim the neck, same thing. See, skin tight, because when skin tight, you know, less chance you're gonna cut yourself. Then drop this stuff a little. See? So now first kind of you want to make a line here. Oh, like that, and then this is Son of a Barber channel. Oh, you know, tips for staying fresh. We got them sometimes. And thank you very much for watching. See here, same kind of pull skin. Could do it this way. Sorry. I need the mirror a little bit. You need good lighting, you know, better lighting than this. See, pull skin, make it tight, and then do. See, tight. This kind of chin hardest spot kind of for me, because it's very kind of softer here. You can cut yourself, and that's with anything like shaving with razor. Have to be very careful. Also, see this trimmer, very nice. You have to be careful, but let's see. You can put in your nose like bushy, you know, if it's bushy in there a little bit, you can trim the bushes. See? See? Very nice. So now bush is trimmed, and this, you know, just kind of gotta check, make sure you not miss anything. See, don't miss anything. Thank you for watching the channel. Looks like you didn't miss much, right? And got bushes done, everything. Thank you for watching. You know, great tips. You know, this is good trimmer. This is good trimmer right here. You can be doing this also with clippers. See, we have some mouse clippers to Excel, 2-speed, taper, clipper. See, very nice. You could do with anything, but closer, you know, closer trim with trimmer, Oster trimmer, both of these, either one. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. God bless you, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.